forgotten rural footpath. The conditions are foul, with one of the worst torrential downpours seen in years. Aside from the misty sheets of pelting rain, the black of night shrouds the countryside. He is alone. Tired feet and worn-out shoes continue to make steps in the sloshy mud. He can't remember the last time he's had nourishment. His body grows weaker as he pushes forward. Perhaps, he thinks, if I die out here, at least the animals will feast me easily. He walks along, and his sight is attracted to the light emanating from windows. This mansion is huge and majestic. Redemption, he says to himself as he gazes upon the broad front. Surely the master of this beautiful house would have no heart to turn away a hungry, wet, weak old man on a night such as this. With a final bit of strength that he can muster, he takes the steps up towards the heavy oak double doors. His heart quickens as he stands before the doors. Gathering his counsel, he prepares himself in spite of the cold. After a moment, he firmly raps upon the solid oak. The lock is released, and the old man's hope is at a pinnacle.
Good gracious, mister. What are you doing out there in such a storm such as this?
The old man explains that his gut pains him, and that all he asks for a slice of bread and a space of floor before the warm fire. Please, I am but a wanderer with nowhere to go.
Of course you will be welcome here. The master returns in a week. No harm in allowing you to sleep here for the night.
Thank you.
Come right this way, sir. I will get you some hot soup and some dry clothes. It must be freezing.
After the invitation is given, a step is taken, and the invitation is all the stranger needs to hear. A startling transformation occurs as he walks upon the marble floors of the foyer, man into night beast with a deadly hunger for blood, a centuries-old craving for life. The invitation is all the stranger needs to hear.
In my mind, sits there alone. I'm wasting time. The clock it ticks until the end. I don't feel much because I'm numb. It's a two insanity. I succumb to virus bursting from within. Time to slip it away from me. Time to slip it away from me.